Grid layout. In grid layout, components are arranged in the form of rows and columns. So these are the 2 rows and 4 columns. In this, as you can see, the button 1.3 is slightly longer, and the button just below it, 2.3, does not occupy the whole space. It occupies space as required by its content. Let's see, it's the application in IDE. This is the XML file of grid layout. These are the buttons. Button ID is different for all. Style. Button style small means small button will come in output. Column count 9 is equal to 9 means that maximum 9 columns can come. In this button, layout column 0 means it is in 0th column. Layout row equal to 0 means 0th row. Layout gravity left means it is aligned towards the left. Text 1.1. This is all about the XML file. Now this is the graphical view. Let's see it output. This is the output of grid layout in emulator, same as the snapshot. Okay. Now comes table layout. In table layout also the components are arranged in the form of rows and columns. These 2 rows and 4 columns. The only difference is the size of this button. The button 1.3 is longer than others, and the button 2.3 occupies whole space. That is, it matches the parent. So let's see its output in emulator. This is the XML file of the table layout application. In this, the app components must be declared within table rows. So this first table row, in this these are the buttons, then second table row in these buttons. So column span equal to 2 means second button occupies 2 columns. This is all about table layout. This is its graphical view. Let's see its output in emulator. Android application. So this is the output of table layout in emulator. Okay, same as what we saw in snapshot. Next comes relative layout. In relative layout, components can be placed anywhere. Their parameters are specified in the relative to each other. We can drag and drop them anywhere on the screen. Let's see in IDE the application. This is the XML file of relative layout. In this, few parameters are different. We'll see them. Align parent left equal to true, align parent top equal to true means this button is aligned towards left top, and this is treated as the parent button for all the other buttons. Margin left equal to 22 dp means it is the size of margin. Dp is density pixel. Margin is specified in this unit. Then is layout below ID button 1, which means this button is below button 1 to right of equal to ID button 1 means it is self-explained, that is button 2 is towards the right of button 1. That is, these parameters of the buttons are specified relative to each other with their relative position. Button 3, align top. This is aligned towards the top of button 1 to right of button 2. In this way, all the other buttons are specified. This is the graphical layout. Now let's see its output. So this is just an internal error warning, activity not started. It will have no effect on the output. So let's see the output. So this is relative layout output. This is all about layouts. Now we'll see what are input controls in Android.